wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do something a little different today. We are talking about new launches, but I want to see if I can talk about ones that I actually like. If there are ones coming out that I can be like, you know what, yes, I'm gonna buy this, I would buy this, I'm intrigued, something like that. Let's see if I can find a nice 10 new launches that might be asking for a lot, but let's see. Ooh, what is this? New, I think I might have seen someone like with a PR package of this. New from Milk Makeup, their Pore Eclipse Matte Translucent Talc-Free Setting Powder, a weightless talc-free translucent loose setting powder that contains shine, that controls shine, blurs pores, and sets makeup up to 16 hours matte finish. 32 dual hairs. I usually have to be careful about the powders that I use on my under eye because that is a drier area for me. But y'all know Milk Makeup is one of those, if they launch it, product usually isn't going to miss. $32, available September 2nd. Would I purchase this? Yes, I would. And if you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know in the comments down below. All right, this technically doesn't count, but I don't know if you guys know, Marc Jacobs is coming back. Marc Jacobs inked a licensing deal with Coty. They own Kylie and ColourPop, right? Which he previously only worked with on the fragrance portfolio. Okay. We might see it in 2025. Girl, get out of my face. Okay, available now. It's only in Europe for right now, though. Perfume Born in Roma Pink from Valentino. Valentino monochromatic, inspired by the iconic pink PP rock stud bottle, celebrating the uniqueness of everyone and many vibrant ways to be you. A dazzling floral embery fragrance, Madagascar bourbon, vanilla, and magnificent orange blossom. I'm gonna have to smell it. I'm gonna have to, baby, as soon as the fragrance says vanilla, you got me. But it's giving, you know, more sweet, possibly juicy, so I'm gonna smell it. But as for now, I'm intrigued. All right, so we're two in. Okay, wait a minute. Might have found something I'm intrigued about. First look, new Groundwork palette, Defining Neutrals palette from Danessa Myricks. Y'all know we stand Danessa around these parts. For eyes, brows, face, and lips. Now, I usually don't like palettes like this because, you know, they include a bunch of shades that you use on other skin tones, which makes sense for a makeup artist like Danessa to put out, and it makes sense for a working makeup artist to purchase. But like for the makeup wearer, I rarely come across times when I need fair shades to work on myself. So it's like, but it's for the eyes, brows, face, and lips. So lighter shades, you know, might be able to use to highlight the brows or something like that. On the lips, highlight the inside. It's velvety shape and 65 dual hairs. Yeah, this is giving very much so for makeup artists, but I'm intrigued enough where I could try it in a video. Let me know. Wait a minute, what is this? Hold on. Look who's working on her own skincare line. Savannah James, LeBron James' wife, is giving us a sneak peek with some product samples. SJ Skincare, Daytime Moisture Veil, Nighttime Moisture Veil, All Day Serum. I would try this. First of all, I love me Miss Savannah James, okay? We stand LeBron James. We stand the whole James family in this household, okay? And also, I feel like, obviously, this is what I would assume, that there is someone who is actually experienced in skincare who is helping with this, just like with all other celebrity skincare lines. But I feel like she wouldn't get involved in something like this if it wasn't like, if she wasn't actually putting something out that was good, if that makes sense, because she doesn't have to. They had a whole conversation on social media how, you know, she's kept and she doesn't have to, because they were trying to compare her to Gabrielle Union, and it was like, well, first of all, Gabrielle Union came into this working, right? That's how she met Dwayne. Whereas she's been with LeJon. Can my brain just relax for 5 seconds? She's been with LeBron since they were in high school. So like she never had a reason to work, and she doesn't have to. So it's like she doesn't have to be, you know, one of the wives that like puts her name on something and all this stuff, that and the third. Now, could she? She could. I don't know. We'll have to see when it comes out how it goes. But for all those reasons, I'm intrigued. I want to see how this goes. Is this like Christmas launches already? New? Okay, foundation, sweetener foundation from REM Beauty, clinically proven skincare. What? Literally? Skincare, where'd it even go? Skincare color hybrid hydrates skin instantly over time with buildable blendable coverage in 60 shades, $35 each. Now ponytail, you know, REM Beauty probably hasn't shown the performance that they expected or they wanted to since it launched. Honestly, the only thing I like that I've tried from the brand is the eyeliner, which very on brand for ponytail, right? I literally haven't heard anything be that like one product from the brand that just pops and everyone's like, oh my God, if you try nothing else from this brand, you have to try this, right? You know, Selena, she's got the blushes, Fenty, they've got the foundation, other brands that are run by celebrities. Who else has a celebrity brand? Key Soul Care, people really like the skincare products from it, but REM, like I really haven't heard anything that like what is it, House Labs, they did have eye products that a lot of people were talking about. I know there was a gloss people were talking about, and then of course the foundation is really liked. I think they have a concealer coming out. I might see it in this thing, but REM Beauty hasn't really had one of those. It's kind of giving, you know, like afterthought type brand. Her perfumes, baby, she launched a new perfume, gonna get it as soon as it launches. But the makeup, but I'm kind of intrigued to try this foundation. I don't know, granted it looks like every other foundation that's out there, but it has 60 shades. I done tried every other foundation that's out there, so why not? So will I try this at some point? Probably, yeah. I'm actually really trying, okay? But these launches are not. So, ooh, what is this from Coach? Okay, available now. Love from Coach are coming out with a new perfume inspired by the vibrant and universal feeling of love and all the unique ways we express it. Top notes: wild strawberry, middle red velvet rose, base cedarwood. I'm gonna go smell it. It don't take much for me, as long as you tell me it give a little sweetness to it. Red velvet rose. Okay, I'm intrigued. I want to go smell it. The packaging makes me want to just order. You know, I'll be blind buying fragrances, but I want to. Okay, I'm intrigued. Oh, Ponytail does have a new fragrance available now. Cloud Pink. Empowering and optimistic, inspired by a confidence that reveals both beauty and strength, no matter the storm. Warm and spicy, 68 dual hairs. Keynotes: pink pineapple, middle vanilla, base magenta. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I literally just got done telling y'all that if she comes out with a new perfume, I'm gonna buy it, no questions asked, and here we are. Yeah, I have the blue cloud. I've told you guys before, if you want a Baccarat dupe-ish, something along the lines of that, Cloud will give you the same thing. You know, Cloud's not my favorite from her. I like God is a Woman and those two like oval-y ones that she came out with. It's like blush. It's the ones, if y'all saw, Tasha got me them for my birthday. It's one's white, one's pink. I can't remember what the actual, you know, name is, but I like those the most. I have the one that comes with a little pink power puff ball on it. I think it's Sweet Like Candy. That one gives, you know, a little, you know, when they say fragrances are a little juvenile, like it gives very much so what you were wearing when you were in high school, Juicy Couture, those type fragrances. It gives a little bit of that, but you know, sometimes I want that. So I like that one as well. I like Cloud. It's just, it's not my favorite one from her, but this one, yeah, I'm gonna get it. And her perfumes are a little more affordable. So, okay, so now this I've been seeing around and I'm kind of intrigued, but I'm also kind of like, please be BFFR, okay? Bath and Body Works came out with new fabric care detergent, special price $11.95 each, regular price $19.95. So yeah, they've come out with new laundry detergent, and you know, some of the scents, I see Cozy Cashmere, 1,000 Wishes, Lavender Vanilla, Sun Drenched Linen, Mahogany Teakwood. I like it in theory, but if y'all didn't see the vlog that I just uploaded where I had hives after getting my arms waxed, I have very sensitive skin and I just feel like that's playing with fire. Like, in theory, yes, it'd be nice if my clothes also smelled like the candles and the, you know, room sprays I'd be spraying in my house. But, you know, once that is put on your body, we're talking about a different thing there. So I like it in theory. I'm gonna have to let some of y'all, you know, test that out and see how that goes. People are already very skeptical when it comes to detergents that they use anyway. If you're on TikTok, a lot of the mommies be doing posts about how you can make your own laundry bombs and stuff like that, just because there are too many things in regular detergent. So I'm gonna have to let other people test this out, and then you let me know how it goes. But I am actually very intrigued. I know they smell great. It's just like, how is that going to react with my body? And I'm okay being the test dummy to figure that out in this scenario, especially because my arms are just going back to normal. No. Oh, okay. I knew I wasn't tripping. Haus Labs is coming out with a concealer, the Triclone Skin Tech Concealer, a revolutionary hydrating clean concealer that does more than cover, with 20 plus skincare ingredients in 31 shades across 6 shade families and 4 undertones. Will be available September 7th on their website. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I like the foundation, so when they come out with concealers, I usually like to purchase the concealers and see how they wear with the foundations, and then if I don't like it with the foundation, or even if I do like it, I'll test it out with the other foundations that I like wearing to see if they're like friendly to use across formulas. So yes, I'll be purchasing that. Already bought that. There's still Barbie collections coming out in stores. New pomegranate peptide firming serum from Glow Recipe, lifting firming serum with polypeptide pomegranate seed oil and hyaluronic acid, coming soon on their website and retailers. Yeah, baby, when I tell you, after testing that Glow Recipe out for like 2 weeks straight just to see what my face would look like, and the quick change that I saw, the literal glow coming out of my skin, yeah, Glow Recipe, they got me. Yeah, it hasn't launched yet, but yes, I'll be trying it out. I don't know what number we're at, but I feel like let's see if I can find one more. When I tell you I'm passing so many like cartoon, those type of collabs, I see makeup brands are just not going to let this go. They're not going to jump on the wave of hoping that people will purchase this because it's in collaboration with a TV show or a something that they like, and it's just, please come up with something else. One more thing. I'm not asking for much here. Oh, okay. Available now, new bronze cream bronzers from Juvia's Place, made with shimmering pearls and glide smoothly onto skin, creating a seamless and radiant finish that mimics the warm embrace of the sun. 18 dual hairs. Yeah, I would try this. The shade range, I would probably, no, sometimes they dry darker than what it is, but I would probably try just the darkest shade that this comes in, or maybe the second darkest, but I would try this. Okay, that wasn't that bad. I mean, I was scrolling through a lot, so there are a lot of new launches that I would not be interested in, but I was able to do launches, or a video where I tell you about launches that I either, yes, automatically know I'm going to go ahead and purchase this, I'm intrigued about, I need to know a little bit more about, but you might get my money down the line. So I hope, you know, this video helped. If you guys want to know some of the new stuff coming out that might actually be interesting, if there's anything else that I did not talk about, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.